The AquaShield PICC Guard allows users of peripherally inserted central catheters, also known as PICC lines, to shower in complete comfort and safety. The PICC Guard is latex-free. It's durable, lasting many months. Stretching easily, it's easy to use. And 3 sizes: small, regular, and extra large, to fit virtually all patients. Measure about 1 inch above the dressing. And on mid-forearm for the lower measurement. Choose the proper size PICC guard based on these measurement criteria. Pause the video for extended viewing. To use the AquaShield PICC Guard for showering, pre-stretch the opening. Slide the PICC Guard over the PICC site by pulling on the top corners. Work a finger under the opening, carefully pulling all the way around and over the dressing. Take your time. Pull the PICC Guard upper seal an inch or so above the PICC site, with the lower seal about midway on the forearm. Pull back slightly on the PICC Guard to ensure the seals are completely flat and smooth against the skin. The PICC line or dressing will now be kept dry for a shower. After showering, towel dry the arm and PICC Guard. Remove the PICC Guard by working a finger under the seal and sliding the PICC Guard over the PICC site, stretching the opening as needed. Allow your PICC Guard to air dry and it'll be ready to use for next time. The PICC Guard is protective for showering only and shouldn't be used for bathing, swimming, or other submersions.